Hello, today I'm going to show you how to take two separate iNEX servers and combine them into one admin server. Let me explain. Site 1 is a record server and is also an admin server. Site 2 is a record server and also an admin server. When you have multiple units like this, you are only able to connect into them one at a time with iNEX Client. This can be a problem. What we're going to do is take away the admin server on Site 2. Then we're going to add the record server to Site 1. The admin server at Site 1 will now be handling the user rights for the record server at Site 2. This will now give you the access to all your cameras on the two record servers. Let me show you how this is done. First, we're going to do is shut down iNEX software on both servers. Now what we need to do is we need to decide which one's going to be the master and which one's going to be the slave. So the best thing to do is write down the IP address of the server that you're going to make the master and which one you're going to make the slave. Today I'm going to be making the master the .2 server and the slave the .4 server. So what I'm going to do now is basically work on the .4 server. First thing to do is uninstall the software. During the uninstall, it'll ask you, do you want to remove all saved data? You want to select do not remove. Close. Now what we're going to do is reinstall the software. All you're going to do on this portion is you're going to install the record service, streaming service, and video analytics. Here it's asking you to insert the IP address of the admin server. Refer back to the IP address that you wrote down and put that in there. Click close. And you're going to exit out of this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our admin server. We are going to log into our admin server just like you would any other time. As you can see here, everything looks normal. We have a recording service for our unit. Now if you go down and click the plus, it'll show you the recording service and video analytics from the other machine. Click OK. Now we've added that unit to this. Online. Now what I like to do is I like to change the names of these recording services so you know which ones are which. Master. And then we will change the slave. See, there's no cameras added to it. So what we need to do now is we go over here and do a search. Now if you see here, recording service, now I have two options to choose to record to. a master or a slave. I want to put this camera on the slave recording, so you select slave, hit OK. It's registered. Now I can go to the camera, detailed information. This one's recording to the master, and this one's recording to the slave. Thank you.